Hi guys. So what we are doing today is we are going to Guachon Park here in Airdrie, which is in near Calgary, which is north to Calgary, and check out the Guachon Park. So what Guachon Park really is about is um, there is a sister city called Gwacheon, South Korea, which is paired to Airdrie. So Airdrie and Gwacheon, South Korea, are both sister cities. So they have been in the sister city thing for 10 years. So what they try to do is they try to help out each other culturally and everything. And Gwacheon, South Korea, donated totem poles to Airdrie here, and then they installed it in the park. So let's go check it out how it is, and let's see what it is there. So a little bit about Gwacheon, South Korea. So Gwacheon is in the heart of Seoul, which is the capital city of South Korea. Now it is very culturally diverse, and also it has all kinds of these national museums and art pieces and everything. So you could say I mean, when Airdrie and Gwacheon, South Korea, decided to become sister cities, they try to exchange matters of cultural importance among other things. So these totem poles that we are going to see right now are a testament of what Gwacheon donated to Airdrie, but I have to learn what Airdrie did to Gwacheon on the other side of the table also. So let me provide you some links in the description below of what I think after seeing this. But what it is saying is I have to turn 1.6 miles. I have to turn left. So we are approaching Gwacheon Park now. So you see there's a tank here. There is a railway carriage. We need to check these out. While that says it is Nose Creek Regional Park. All right. This is Nose Creek Regional Park, guys. If you are wondering what it is, some people playing volleyball there, people walking their dogs. It's around 6:30 in the morning. So where is this park? I mean, yes, I found it. So there it is. You see those totem poles? I think we can park somewhere here. I'm assuming this is a church. So let's St. Paul's Roman Catholic Church. Right? I mean, I see no harm in parking my car here. And so this is St. Paul's Catholic Church. Let's park here. Then we'll walk to Gwacheon Park and see how it is. Let's check it out. Right. Okay. So as you can see here, this is St. Paul's Catholic Church. All right. Let's walk to this park and see what happens. So this is the office right here of the church. So the school park, you see, that's a Gwacheon Park right there. That's a Gwacheon Park. That section right there looks modern. That's interesting. And that section looks a little older. Again, that's the St. Paul's Church from the background. You can see a little bit stained glass right there. Stained glass windows projecting sun rays there. pretty serene this place. I mean, literally no one here. I see people walking, but yeah, nothing much, no activity going on really. Check this cool reflection out. Check this out. On the other side, wow, nice, really calm place. Really calm place here. This is a fountain in between. I think that's a stage where they do some performances and everything. It's very cool, right? Good morning. Is that the stage over there?
Yes, yeah, you betcha.
Okay.
They'll have concerts during the summer.
Sorry?
They'll have concerts during the summer.
Oh,
when
concerts.
COVID's done.
Okay, got it. Okay, thank you.
You bet.
So what the gentleman was saying is you have concerts on the summer there, and it's pretty neat. But right now with COVID and everything, those are really postponed. Okay, let's walk towards the. So that's what I was really talking about when I said this is a sister city with Gwacheon, South Korea, and so maybe there are some Korean artists who come and perform on that stage there during the summer. All right, let's check these out. These are the totem poles that Gwacheon, South Korea donated to AIDRI. Those look interesting. I don't really know what the symbols mean in South Korea, but so there you see, to recognize the sisterhood and friendship between the city of Gwacheon and the city of AIDRI. So this whole thing is commemorated in 2003. Wow, 2003, that's pretty old. I mean, at least for me. So check this out. Looks like a Pepsi logo on the top of hat there. I don't really know what it means, but wow, this wood is solid. I mean, the colors are really nice. Look how huge they are. Flock of geese trying to take off. All right, so now we come to the area where there are flags. So this flag is Canada, obviously. That is Korean flag. Not sure what these flags are. Probably this flag says Gwacheon City. So that's Gwacheon City's flag right there. And I believe that's the city of AIDRI. That is AIDRI's flag. And I believe this is the state's flag, Alberta. So Canada's flag, Korea, Alberta, city of AIDRI, and city of Gwacheon. Okay, that's pretty cool. So basically 2 countries, and then the state's flag, and then you have the city's flag there. So what is this? There's a board right here which is telling me something. So it's a city of AIDRI. Oh, this is wildlife in the water and everything. Okay, see, pretty wildlife here. So it's a bird there which is making that noise, approving my message, you know. So we'll walk through this path and see the totem poles again. And this is a pretty little park which is very interesting. I believe that's the chief right there. Maybe because of how his helmet or headrest there is. And yeah, it looks like it's a community, you know, that they're saying, hey, let's celebrate. I mean, let's celebrate the culture. Let's celebrate the togetherness of the cities, togetherness of the people, and things of those nature. Nice little tour. Okay, there you see the stage right there, and this pretty little park. I'm not sure if Airdrie and Gouachon are still sister cities. I hope so, but I have to read about it and find out.
Morning.
Hello, morning. So that concludes our Gouachon Park experience. Once again, Gouachon Park of Airdrie, Alberta, Canada, guys. Let me know what you think of it.